I'm Phoebe Alexis and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I use the following products: Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo by African Pride. It smells absolutely amazing and the consistency feels like aloe vera gel. Next up, we have my handy dandy rice water. If your hair doesn't agree with rice water, you can substitute it with regular water. A wide tooth comb for extra help detangling because my hair is stubborn at times. And last but not least, my fingers. So first of all, what we're not about to do is judge my hair because yes, I know I look crusty. Second, if you're new to my channel and like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, like, and introduce yourself in the comment section so that we can grow together. I'm just giving you a few before shots so that you can see the transformation. Because my hair is extremely dense in volume, I'll be using some elastic hairbands to keep my hair out of the way as I section. It's important to make sure that your hairbands don't have any metal sections that can snag the hair and cause breakage. After all, this is a length retaining routine. Now the real work begins. I start off by sectioning my hair into two sections. These sections don't have to be neat as we're preparing for wash day anyways and no one is going to see this. Notice that at this point I'm only using my fingers, no tools just yet. I prefer working from back to front when doing my hair because it's more comfortable for me and my front hair also has a tendency of getting in the way, but you're free to start wherever you feel comfortable. Once I have a section ready, I saturate my hair with rice water or just water if you're allergic to rice water. Side note, I never realized how difficult it would be to film at this angle, but I have included better angles later in this video. Once you're satisfied, you can begin finger detangling. This is crucial if you want to ensure minimal breakage. So take your time. Make sure you get your fingers through every strand. If you don't have enough slip, you can spray more rice water and follow up with pre-poo. Once you feel it's easier to get your fingers through your hair, you can start using a wide tooth comb. Remember to always start detangling your hair from ends down to your roots. Then finish off by twisting. You don't want to leave your hair in a damp state because it will shrink up and you will need to detangle again. In this section, I've sped up the process so that the video isn't too long and redundant, so I'll let you enjoy my hair for a few seconds. Quick neck stretch. This is me repeating the same process but at a different angle. I'm literally going to do the exact same thing. Spray my hair with rice water, finger detangle, pre-poo, finger detangle some more, detangle with a wide tooth comb, and then twist. Okay, am I the only one whose hair is more stubborn in the front than it is at the back? Do you see how the comb is struggling to get through even after I finger detangled? The back part of my hair was not this tough to get through. But hey, we got there in the end. Quick question, do you need a twisting tutorial? I just assumed that everyone knew how to twist, but if you need a tutorial, let me know. I'm your girl. I thought I'd include a slowed down shot of the middle of my hair because the texture of my hair in the middle is different to the texture of my hair on my perimeter. My curl pattern is a lot looser in the middle than it is on the rest of my head. Am I the only one who has multiple hair types on my head? Finally, we got into the last one. I'd say that the whole process took about an hour. If you notice, I kept all the shed hair in my comb and I'll share the total hair loss at the end of this video. I was struggling to get through the last section, but we made it. Remember, you can adapt this video to suit your preference. If you prefer using African threading as a stretching method, for example, then you can replace twisting with African threading. If you're doing this after wash day, you can replace pre-poo with a leave-in conditioner or do the LCO method. Whatever your needs are at the time. I'm just preparing for wash day, so this is how I pre-poo. Comment below if you want to see how I wash my hair for maximum length retention. So, this is the total amount of hair I shed during the entire process. Considering the length and density of my hair, this is not bad at all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so that we all can grow together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, loves. Mwah.